the middle of stitching out an applique and it's time to trim. So one of the features I use a lot is what's called a trim position. Now I use this a lot, but not all the machines have this. And so as a Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic owner, you should really appreciate not always having to pull that hoop off every single time. Now the shortcut key is actually your needle up, needle down button. So when you push it, the hoop is going to come to you and move, it looks like, the needle to the upper right corner. So at this point, I can take my scissors and trim along the outside edge. Now, if I have a design kind of like this, where there's a lot of ins and outs, I might not bend in all those directions. So this might be a time I could take the hoop off and just kind of do it at a table so I can turn the hoop and not have to really twist my arms for trimming. The other, so when you're done, you can either touch the needle up, needle down button and it moves it back to the last stitch that you were on in the right position, or you could have just pushed start, it would have moved it right back and then started stitching. It is also on the screen as a feature right here at the hoop with the 4 arrows. That's where you can go to, say, the park position if you need to move your embroidery unit arm to the far left. There's the trim position, same thing. So you can actually touch it on screen, and again, when you push start, it would come right back in and begin for you. So trim positions, anytime you're using applique, you need to position some fabric in there, you need to cut something, maybe snip a thread or two. Use your needle up, needle down button as your best friend.